Hello, lovelies! Who is ready to play with some farm animals today? Ooh, so many farm animals! I love farm animals. How exciting! Come on, let's go and hang out with the farm animals. Oh no! What is happening on the farm today? All our animals are disjointed. Oopsie. Come on. Let's put the correct heads and tails together. Let's start with the piggy. Oink oink. Hi piggy. We have to find your tail, piggy. I think I found it. That doesn't look right, piggy. That's not your tail. Let's try to find the correct tail. I think we found it. There's our piggy. Head and tail all correctly paired up. Oink oink. Oh, piggy says thank you. Who should we help next? How about our friend Horsey? Hi, horse. Okay, let's find your tail. Oh no, that looks very silly. Oopsie. Sorry, Horsey. I think I got the wrong tail. Okay, now let's find the correct tail. All right, can you help me find your tail, Horsey? Okay. Let's see. What color is the horse? It is brown in color. Let's find a brown colored tail. This looks like brown. Let's see if it fits. Perfect! Our horsey is whole again. Head and tail. Oh! Very good, horsey. And now, Mr. Rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Okay, I get it. You're missing your tail. Now let me help you find it, Mr. Rooster. Cluck, 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 cluck. Okay, let's see. Can this be the tail? No, that would look very silly. Hee. That's not the rooster's tail. How about this? No. That doesn't look like the rooster. Now, there's one more tail left here. I think it is this. Let's see. Cock-a-doodle-doo! You sound very happy. This is definitely the rooster's tail. Oh, and how pretty. What color is this? This is green. The rooster is so beautiful. It has so many different colors. The yellow beak, the red crest, and a brown body, and a beautiful green tail. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Okay, rooster. Go back now. And now, here we have a tail. Look, it's white and black. Look, there are black spots all over. And this is white. Now we need to find the other part that is black and white. Let's see. This is white, but it's not black. This is gray. So this can't be it. All right, let's see. I think I found it. This looks like black spot and this is white. It's Madam Cow. Hi, cow. I think we found your tail. Ta-da! Yippee! We got the cow together. White and black spots. How lovely. Moo. Okay, I see you're very happy, cow. All right. And now we have Mr. Sheep. Ba, ba. I know. You're missing your tail. Come on, I think I have it here. Right here. Ba, ba. Are you happy now, Mr. Mamby the Lambie? Wow, you look so handsome with a fluffy little coat. Ba, ba. Okay, Mamby, go and join your friends. Oh, look! Our barnyard friends are having a jolly good time with your heads and tails together. And now, let's see if you remember their names. This is a sheep. A sheep has a white woolly coat and a gray face, a little pink nose, and black eyes. And what does the sheep say? Ba, ba. That's right, sheep. The sheeps cry, ba, ba. Very good. Go on then, join your friends. And next, this is a rooster. A rooster is a bird. It has a yellow beak, a red crest, a brown body, and green tail. And how does the rooster cry? Cock-a-doodle-doo! Very good, rooster. Say that again. Cock-a-doodle-doo! That's right. And next, we have a pig. A pig is pink in color. It has a snout and 2 eyes, 2 ears, and a mouth. Look. And do you know what little pigs say? Oink, 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 oink. That is right, piggy. Oink, 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 oink. Very good. Clippity-clop, clippity-clop, here comes a horsey. That's right. That's what the horses say. Okay. Now, what color is this horse? Yes, it is brown in color and it has a beautiful black mane and a beautiful black tail. Neigh, Neigh. That's right. Horses say neigh, neigh. Wonderful, horsey. Go and join your friends. And here comes our friend, the cow. The cow is white in color. It has beautiful black spots and two little horns. What do the cows say? Moo, moo. Very good. The cows say moo, moo. Very good, Madam Cow. Go and join your friends. And that's all for today's video. I hope you all had fun putting the heads and tails together of these farm animals, learning their names and learning colors. Woohoo! That's a lot of learning. Now it's time for a nap. Toodaloo! If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye-bye!